Once you have successfully installed the Edge AI SDK Inference Kit, you can start exploring the features shown in this video. Inside the Inference Kit, we have already preloaded several AI models for users to quickly get started. These include object detection, face detection, person detection, pose detection. These models can serve as reference examples and can also be further customized for different real-world applications. For example, object detection models can be post-trained into surgical tool detection for medical scenarios. Also, post-detection models can be adapted to monitor workers' movements in factories, helping detect potentially dangerous actions and improving workplace safety. During inference, users are also able to monitor system performance in real time, including processor utilization, thermostatus, memory usage. This allows developers to easily benchmark and evaluate the performance of different processors while running AI workloads. In addition to vision models, depending on the computing capability of the processor, the Edge AI SDK also supports generative AI features, including LLM chatbot, speech-to-text, text-to-speech, vision language models. These capabilities enable developers to build more advanced multi-modal AI applications directly at the edge. With the Advantech Edge AI SDK, developers can significantly simplify AI deployment and accelerate time to market for Edge AI applications. Thank you for watching.